Hi everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a Project Life process video of week 52 of my 2018 album, and it is the last spread that I need to get done in order to be done with the whole year. So I can't wait to show you the last flip through. I already have part 1 and part 2 in my channel if you haven't watched it already. So hopefully I can show you that last flip through soon. And I was very stuck. It's been a while since I've done Project Life, so I was intimidated by this. I was feeling uninspired by my DIY kits, and this is my favorite one, so it's a little strange that I was reacting so freaked out about it, but eventually I got the hang of it and I had a lot of fun making this. My weekly card is gonna be this meme of Pikachu. My brother and I used it way too much, and I didn't want to make the Feed Your Craft card that it's on the left of this photo, the title card. I didn't want to cover anything. I love all the elements that were on there already, so I wanted to leave it just like that perfectly. And this kit has way too many things. I did put them, I always have them in a zipper bag, and then when I use them I put them on an IKEA Antonio Strait. If you don't have one, get one. They are amazing for everything. And this label is from Elle Studio. You can also get them from Pretty Little Studio, Studio Calico. You can buy them, print them. You can find freebies. And I just added a little heart that I made out of felt in my Lawn Fawn Die Hards, which are my favorite. And I wanted to add more things, but there's already so much color and so many things in the whole spread. Like, I am an over embellisher, so if I can keep adding things, I will. I use this Messy Box ink to stamp this stamp from Feed Your Craft, and you can still get it in their shop. I'm gonna have my affiliate links below. You don't have to use them, but they do help a lot, and thank you to those of you who have used it. And the little die cuts that I added on the bottom were from an Elle Studio grab bag. I love their grab bags from Black Friday. If you haven't tried one, I recommend them 1000%. They are always worth the price. And I'm using this Studio Calico stamp. It's so big, it's 6x8. I got it in a sale, but it's part of their stamp subscriptions, and I love their stamps, but I don't need more stamps, or so I tell myself, but I do want them. So I just stamped the word cozy because my daughters had this cat pajama that was really cute. And this next photo is gonna be my best 9 from Instagram, and those are the best photos, or the photos that perform the best in 2018. My favorites never make it. Actually, my favorites kind of bomb, which is sad, but hey, I used the Studio Calico ink, which I love for photos, but I have to let you know that I use Glossy 2 Canon paper. When I used to be with Shutterfly, I used to print my photos with them. The texture would be way too slippery, so it depends on your photo paper. These stars are ancient and they are from Freckle Fawn, and they are acetate. I wanted to create a visual triangle, so I wanted 3, and I outlined the end with that blue and the E, but I should have done either all the letters, or I should have done it with black so it kind of popped, but it already had so much color that I wasn't sure that I wanted to add extra things to it. In this photo, I just wanted to add a tiny little heart to the O. I just felt that it needed a little something, and again I used my Lawn Fawn die with the little hearts, but these are actually like faux leather cards. I use it with lots of things: cork, felt, faux leather, paper. The paper scraps, I always use those with my paper scraps. And these photos are from New Year's Eve, and these are photos that my mom took back home. I don't live close to my family, so I do love getting photos from them. I did the dummy mistake of folding the washi because I glued those two 3x4s onto a photo, and I completely forgot about it. And then I saw it and I was like, oh man. And I took it out. It looks fine, but I can still see the glue. I don't know. I'm very picky about it. And I, instead of adding letters to add the date or alpha stickers, I just typed them with my typewriter. And I almost added more. Again, I can't help myself, but I stopped right there and it looks pretty good. I had a lot of fun working on this layout, and it motivated me to keep going again because I am so behind. I have to do this, I have to do Project December Daily 2020 and Project Life 2020 and 2019 and 2021. It's a lot. But thank you so much for watching. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep watching videos like this, I recommend you subscribe, because now that I'm moved out and fine, I have to do a major catch up, and I would like to show you guys what I've been working on. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day. Bye.